Hey girlfriends, this is Laugh Out Lash Girl Melissa. And you know, we're going to tackle some under eyes today. It's been my nemesis for a long time. But this winter time that has set in, mine were huge this morning. I was like, who are you? I looked in the mirror. Honestly, I was like, wait a minute. We got to do something about this today. So, we're working on under eyes today. Come on with me. I want you to learn how to do what I did today to get them to look like this. All right, so here I am in all my glory. I don't have anything on my face. I just got out of the shower, and I still have to dry my hair, kind of thing. But this cold weather, living in the South is really hard. And so it's beautiful outside. And there's a little breeze, but it's very cold right now. So last night was like in the 20s. And so my sinuses here have been running amok ever since the weather started changing. So it's either, oh gosh, it's hot today and it's in the 70s, and then here we are in the 20s. So my under eyes, look at this. This morning, mine were so swollen, it was ridiculous. And so that's one thing I want to talk about today, is what to do with these wonderful, puffy under eyes. And you probably have this situation too. I don't know, maybe up in the north, where that's where you're from, it's really cold. And then one day here in the South, it's a roller coaster. We never know what the weather's going to be like, because next week it will be in the 70s again. And then maybe my drainage will not be as bad as it is today, and all this puffiness. Okay, so this is what I want to show you really quickly, what Lister does when she gets up and her eyeballs look like this. Okay, the first thing I'm going to use is my rose water. Love my rose water. The rose water will take away a lot of the redness in your face. And I do have a pimple there. Yes, I'm 62 and have a pimple. Yay. You know, when we get to this age, we always think we're not going to have pimples anymore. Yeah, right. And who knows why I have it. And why did it have to be right there? It could be, somewhere over here where you can't see it. And listen, my face is not perfect. It's not. I got a lot of brown spots, melasma going crazy, I call it. So I'm going to go ahead and put my serum on. Now, this is Younique serum. I just opened this. It's brand spanking new. Yes. And I put it right over the top of this. And make sure I get it under my under eyes. And I do my eyelids as well. Give your eyelids some love. Don't forget about them. Because, we use that a lot. Putting on our eye makeup. Lots of different things, so make sure that you give some love to them. So, Mr. Mark's coming in here now. Mr. Mark! And then we're going to use this right here, which is my moisturizer. And see, these things are cool. Now, if you get a subscription for this pops out, and then you get a brand new one. See, it comes out, and you keep this part, and this gets thrown away. And you can see I've got a little bit left in there. And I have a brand new one that just came in, so I will be utilizing that soon. Mark and I are getting some furniture today, so the house is very disarray. So he's still trying to figure out a couple of things. Did you figure it out, honey? No. He had figured it out. All right, so there's that. Let's put this on. We've got our serum. And I did not bring my sunscreen in, but I'm not going to worry about it. I usually just use Nivea sunscreen. And I can always add it, because I'm not putting on any makeup in this video, okay? So I can always add it afterwards. So we've done these two. And we started off with the rose water. Really use this in the morning first. And then that. And now, as far as my under eyes go, this is the trick. I'm going to take this, and it's been in the freezer. Oh my gosh, that feels so good. And this, you want to just kind of move back and forth. You can go up and down with it. But this is a great tool for you to have. I cannot remember where I got this one. I've had it quite a while. And just move it up and down. It might be from Younique, I think. I'm not sure. Maybe City Beauty? 2020 Beauty? I think that's it. I got it from there. Rub it up and down. And it really does feel loopy good. I know that's not a word. You gotta laugh at your own self, you know. And then I'm gonna come and I'm gonna put on these. Now you can use whatever kind of iPads that you like. I'm gonna use Younique's. And these are Golden Goodness. I have used other brands, and some of the other brands, I do have one that's in their dermatology, I think, but they're so paper thin, and when you go to take them out, they break apart. And so I've gone back to these. I just tried the other one just to see if there was any difference, and I really absolutely love these the best. And you're going to leave them on. Go and do whatever you need to do. Go get your coffee, get your clothes laid out, play with the doggies, and I just pull them out one at a time. See, there it is. Yay. And then you just put it here. And then you go on about doing whatever else you need to do to get yourself ready. Like I got to go dry my hair. So I'm going to go do that, and I like to leave them on. I usually leave mine on for like 30 minutes, like in the morning time. And that really, really, really does help. But so does, and I do have one other product that I'm going to put on after I take these off. So don't go away. Okay, so these have been on for a while. They are dry now. And yes, I did leave them on an extended amount of time just because my eyes were so swollen. So we're going to take these off now, and we're going to see, oh, okay, it's much better. Oh yes, I love these. Now if you have that dermatology one, then you know you'll just have to figure out how to get them out of the thing. I gave up on those. Oh, that feels so much better. It looks so much better too. I'm not quite as puffy. I still have puffiness, but it's nothing like when I woke up, they were like swollen. Like really big swollen. So the only thing I would do that I've just already done, I did put on my beauty oil, my entire face. And I am going to use my Dew Effect, and I'm going to put this under my eyes right now. Because what this is going to do is help anything that's not already plump up. This stuff is amazing. And I do use it every single day. It's one of my favorite products. And I will list this below because they're a small company right now, and they are coming up with some more innovative products. I can't wait. But this one here, I give it 10 all day long. I mean, it's such a great product. And what it does, it absorbs into your skin. It plumps up all the little wrinkles under here. And then it's like midday. Say you go and you're at work and you look in the mirror and you go, oh Lord, look at that. I got some, some breakdown. You can take a tiny bit of this and just dot it along there. And girl, it absorbs whatever and it plumps it back up. So take this with you on the go. I do like to put it around my mouth as well. I do use it there. So now that we have taken these wonderful things off, you can throw these away. You don't keep them. And then I'm going to let this absorb in. And I'll be back with a finished look. Oh, girlfriends, look at my under eyes. I can't believe it. Wow. I can breathe a little bit better, but my nose is still kind of stopped up still. But I was going to show you, you know, these products are similar, and these are just better. The Younique ones, they're thicker, they stay on better. I just really like them. Now, I do keep them in the refrigerator, like I said, but this is the Derma E ones, and they're, you know, the packaging is about the same. They have this little thing here, which doesn't work. And I have really tried to use these. They're so thin. They are, every time I go to get them out of here, they break. And I don't know. I just gave up on these. I just couldn't get them to work for me. And they didn't stay on as well as the Younique ones. Not to saying that Younique is like the perfect, but much, much better. They stay on. You can actually feel them working. And I'm just going to say, hands down, I would definitely get these. They're a lot thicker. and they stay on better. Keep them in the refrigerator, like I said. And then you'll feel that cooling effect. And make sure, I'm going to see if I can find you one of those little rollers and attach it here as well. Because keeping that in the refrigerator, girlfriend, that's a big thing too. Oh man, do that before you do this. And if you have eye cream or anything you want to put on, do that. You know, I did do the Dew Effect. I love that. That is one of my favorite products. And so I'll put everything below. I'm just flabbergasted. Is that a good word? Oh my goodness. Oh, please like and share and click that notification bell. I'm here on Sundays only, and I hope I bring you some value of different products and ways to do our ever-changing face. I'm 62 right now. And, well, I'm halfway through 62. I can't believe that. I really can't. So, girls, we've got to stick together. So, if you have used the product, please put it in the comments, because I would love to try out something that you found that was great as well, you know. And so, if this was something you really liked, let me know that. But I'm just going to tell you right now, hands down, I'll stay with Younique one for keeps. I really, really love it. And I think you get like 60 pairs in one of these. So if you did it every day, that's a good long time to give yourself what you need. Don't go out the door without looking, you know, depuffed, okay? All right, so please like and share and click that notification bell. I'm here on Sundays only, and I love it when you pop in and watch. And comment. Please comment and let me know what you think about this, okay? So, love you guys, and I will see y'all next week. See you then.